everyone, welcome back to Virtual Storytime. Today's baby bounce is going to be all about nature. Now, I love nature. I love spending time in nature. I love taking pictures of nature. I love being among the trees and the animals. It is so much fun and it's often very beautiful too. So, today we have a story, of course. We have a finger play, a flannel board, lots of fun things. So let's get started right away with our opening song. Here we go. Let's all clap 'cause we're all here, we're all here, we're all here. Let's all clap 'cause we're all here today. Wonderful. So, our first thing is a finger play, and it's about a firefly. Okay, I love seeing fireflies in summer. So, we're going to get our hands up, okay, and follow along, okay? Here we go. Firefly, firefly, wow, how you glow. Under your body, you light up below. Firefly, firefly, wow, how you shine. At night in the dark, I can see you just fine. Good job! All right, so now we're going to read our story, and it is called Before You Were Born. And this book has a lot of beautiful pictures of nature. So I will make sure to bring them close to you so you can see them all, okay? So, Before You Were Born. Before you were, a song in our hearts, a star in our eyes. A smile on our lips, shimmering skies. And what animals do we have in these pictures? Looks like we have some foxes over here and some deer on this one. The sun on our faces, the full moon at night. The tiniest murmur of tender delight. What do we have in this picture? Looks like we got a big bear, and I think the bear is eating a bunch of berries. You were a curve in the road, up ahead, out of view, a whispered secret that only we knew. Sunrise ribbons ripple and flow, silver birches tremble below. And now, slumbering sweet, awakening soon, first bud of springtime, ready to bloom. And it's finally springtime here, isn't it? I know it's been very, very rainy lately, at least where I am anyways, but spring is definitely here. Asleep on our sighs, adrift on our dreams. And what do we have here? This looks like a big whale with a baby whale. Soft as mist, floating over streams. Your name in the clouds, your voice on the breeze. Your kiss on a raindrop, your face in new leaves. A mountain of promise, a valley of calm. And it's kind of hard to see, but we have a tiny little house there, see? Light of the world curled into our palm. Look at that. We have two parents, a mom and a dad, and then with their baby. Where Father Sky meets Mother Earth. A new family dawns in the glow of your birth. The end. And I think that is just such a beautiful book. All the pictures are so colorful, and there's deer and foxes and bears and all sorts of amazing things. Okay, so now I have a song for you. We are going to sing Ba Ba Black Sheep, okay? So there are a few hand motions I added to it, so we'll just have you follow along, okay? Here we go. Ba Ba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Ba Ba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. All right, good job. Clap for yourselves. I'm sure you did amazing, even though I can't actually see you. All right, so before we go, we have one more thing. Like I mentioned before, we have a flannel board, and this one is going to be about some frogs. So let's hop on over there and we'll do that. All right, this flannel board is called 5 Little Speckled Frogs. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 speckled frogs. Glug, glug. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. And then there were 3 speckled frogs. Glug, glug. 1, 2, 3. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Then there were 2 speckled frogs. Glug, glug. 1, 2. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Then there was 1 speckled frog. Glug, glug. See, just 1 left. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. And then there were no speckled frogs. Glug, glug. All right, I hope you enjoyed that flannel board as much as I did. So we are going to end with our closing song because that's all we have for today. So let's get our waving hands up. Here we go. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. All right. Well, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We will see you again next week with some more fun story times. All right. Have a good weekend, everybody. Bye.